How to add music on featured photos on Facebook. Now featured photos and highlights mean the same thing, so let's just get started. Now if I open up my Facebook, I will see my highlights right here. Now as you can see, there is no music in it and I won't be able to add any music on it. So to add music on featured photos or highlights on your Facebook, you will need to add a new story and then make it your highlight. And now by adding new story, add a music while you're adding the story. So this is my story editing page. Now on the start option, you will see a music option too. Now just click on one. And after if your sharing has been completed, you can open it. Still uploading, but after you've uploaded, after the story has been uploaded, you will be able to add it to your highlights. As you can see, it's been uploaded. Now all I need to do is on the bottom right corner, there you will see a features button. Click on the features button. Now you can create a new highlight or add it to the collection. I'll just add it to a new highlight and then it's done. Go to your profile section and there you will see different highlights or featured photos. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like at the video. Bye bye.